You are caked! What are we doing?
I think we've come to Wisconsin to drive Safari Rally Porsches.
Really?
You've already driven it though.
Yeah. So the story is, after SEMA, a lot of people actually want to take the cars out, you know, to prove that they actually work.
Bluetooth drive shaft.
Yeah, because there's a lot of Bluetooth drive shafts, Bluetooth intercooler hoses.
Bluetooth fuel systems.
Yeah. Thing is, I always like to take cars out from the show, you know, to actually shoot them, you know, on the strip and, you know, outside of Vegas. But this year I did something different. I actually got to drive one of the show cars, and I didn't go easy on it. They invited me back for some reason to drive it again, and then I brought Will along so we can drive it together and we can take pictures and video of it and show you guys how fun it is to drive a 911 rally car, all-wheel drive supercharged one. This beast right here. You're caked with snow.
Yeah, that's awesome. Gotta run with the window down. For full effect.
We're gonna drive. We're gonna try it. Got my shoes on. Let's do it. Look at the back. It looks like it just snowed back there. Well, I guess it really did. I want to see the reaction.
Okay.
Oh, for this.
Okay.
Is it loud inside?
Dude, it sounds like the supercharger is literally right behind your head. Dude, it's destroying it out there.
Dude, full throttle in third gear. It was too fun. I can't believe how far. I feel like, oh, I've lost it. and then I bring it back, and it's so easy to transition in this thing.
It is.
Oh my God. I'm like, there's no way, we're gonna spin. And I'm like, ah! Ah! And then it comes around, and it's so easy to just whip back. Oh my God. The drifter, you gotta tell me how it is versus your S14. All right. I can't believe how, it's crazy how loud it is though, huh?
Dude. Well, it's like, it sounds normal right now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You're just like, oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden,
oh! Sustained drift. Oh, bring it back! I'm sure the neighbors are in love with this. That does not suck. Oh, I love that. You are caked. You were caked.
It's so
Dude,
good.
that sustained drift was amazing. That was amazing. Was that third gear?
that was second.
Second gear. I love that. What an epic day, huh?
All time.
The thing is, we don't really have bad days with our job. We just have really, really, really good days, like this one.
Badass Porsche Supercharger, 450 horsepower, Frozen Lake. Thank you. Thank you, Larry.
Thank you, Kelly Moss and Road Race.
Vicci Auctions for letting us drive this.
Yeah, very cool.
Incredible day.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap. Oh my God! Seriously, there was snow stuck up there.
Check your.
Hold on. Is there snow stuck up here?
Look at this.
Yes. Look at this.
Oh my
Look
God,
at this.
It's dripping.
Oh my God! It's dripping. It's
peeing all
dripping.
over you.
Okay. I'm just gonna take this out and throw it out. All right. What lake are we pulling in?
You know
Konoshka.
I don't know. I hear Google Maps pronounce it. It was like.